Sa previous video, nag-derive tayo ng formulas para sa topic na ito with constant acceleration using integration. So ngayon naman, i-derive din natin ulit yung mga formulas, but this time, we use motion curve or yung area moment. Okay, so meron tayong scale or graph, A versus time diagram. So since yung acceleration is constant, then ang graph ni acceleration is horizontal line. So at any time, ang acceleration is constant. Then ito yung initial time, and then ito naman yung final time. Then ang sabi sa calculus, that A is equal to dv over dt. So dv is equal to a dt. So kung tayo ay kukuha ng strip, the height of the strip is A and the width of the strip is dt. So kapag in-integrate natin itong equation na ito, then limits v initial to v final, then t initial to t final. Then yung left side is v, and then limits v initial to v final. At yung right side naman, a dt, is the area of the strip. So kapag in-integrate yung area ng strip, so ito ay magiging area ng motion curve. So bali, area of the acceleration time diagram from initial time to final time. Then substitute the limits. So v minus v initial then equal to the area of the acceleration time diagram from t initial to t final is the area of this rectangle, which is equal to the height, and the width is t minus t initial. So that the formula for the final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus a, then t minus t initial. Next, ito naman yung velocity time diagram at ito yung graph. Okay, so straight line yung graph kapag constant acceleration kasi base dun sa na-derive natin kanina. So ito yung na-derive kanina na. So ang variables dito ay yung velocity at saka yung time. So since yung time ay first degree at yung velocity is also in the first degree, so ang graph is straight line. So ito yun. Then ito yung tawagin nating velocity 0. So ito yung velocity when time is 0. Pero sa derivation natin, general tayo, ang initial time could be any time, not necessarily 0. So ito ngayon yung velocity v initial. At ito naman yung velocity at any time v final. Recall from calculus, v is equal to ds over dt. So ds is equal to v dt. Then integrate. So initial position, final position, then initial time, final time. So yung left side integrate, so s, then limits from initial to final position. Then yung right side, bali kung tayo ay kukuha ng strip, the height of the strip is the velocity and the width is dt. So itong v dt na to is actually the area of the strip. So the area of the strip, the vt diagram from initial time to final time. Sa left side, we substitute the limits. So s minus s initial. And sa right side naman, the area of the velocity time diagram from initial to final time. So actually, ito yung area na yan. Area ng trapezoid. So the area of the trapezoid is 1/2. Then v plus v initial times the width t minus t initial. So the position at any time, the formula for the position at any time is equal to the initial position plus 1/2 v plus v initial, then t minus t initial. Ito na yung dalawang formulas na na-derive natin kanina sa motion curve. So yung unang formula ay galing sa acceleration time diagram at yung pangalawa naman ay galing sa velocity time diagram. Then ang gawin natin, yung unang equation, yung unang formula ay i-plug in natin dito sa velocity ni pangalawang formula. So ang mangyayari, so S equals S initial plus 1/2. So yung V na galing sa unang equation is VI plus A times T minus T initial, then plus VI. So ito yung V na galing dun sa unang formula, and then times T minus T initial. Then simplify. S equals S initial plus 1/2 2V initial plus A, then T minus T initial, and then times T minus T initial. Then i-distribute natin itong 1/2 at saka itong T minus T initial, then simplify. So 1/2 times 2 is cancel in 2, then V initial, then times T minus T initial, then plus 1/2 A, then T minus T initial square. So ito na yung formula for another formula for the final position S. Galing dito sa unang equation, so meron tayong expression for T minus T initial, which is equal to V minus V initial over A. Then itong expression na ito for the T minus T initial ay i-substitute natin dito sa third equation. So at ang mangyayari, S is equal to S initial plus V initial times, substitute the expression, so V minus V initial over A, then plus 1/2 A, then V minus V initial over A, and then square. Then simplify. So yung S initial lipat sa kaliwa, then V initial times V minus V initial over A, then plus simplify. So 1/2 V minus V initial square, then over A. Then i-multiply natin yung buong equation by 2A. So left side magiging 2A S minus S initial, then sa right side 2V initial times V minus V initial, then plus V minus V initial square. Then simplify yung right side. So 2V V initial minus 2V initial square plus V square minus 2V V initial plus V initial square. So cancel ito. Then V square, then negative 2V initial square plus V initial square is negative V initial square, then equal to 2A S minus S initial. So that V square is equal to V initial square plus 2A, then S minus S initial. So ito na yung pang-apat na formula. So sa topic natin na kinematics of rectilinear translation with constant acceleration, apat yung formulas at ito na nga sila. So na-derive natin itong apat na formulas na ito using, sa previous video is using integration at ngayon naman is using motion curve.